This video, I'll show you how to use FollowingLike to run Instagram automatically. First, add category name. Click Edit to rename. Click Delete to delete a category. Click Add to add account directly. Account, password, proxy, or import from TXT or CSV file. Format in CSV file. Format in TXT file. Accounts have been added successfully. We can export the accounts. Edit the task limit time under the account. Setting runtime and interval time. Next, how to bind proxy for multiple accounts. Select all accounts, click Proxy. Proxy can be added directly. Or you can import from file, one proxy per line. When we have less proxy than account number, we can use loop to bind all accounts. You can bind IP and fingerprint. This function is used to set custom browser. The maximum time is 60 minutes. Used to show accounts information. Can export the information. Set blacklist in task running. Take Instagram as an example. Put the link here. The software will skip this link when you run the task. Or you can import from file. Account blacklist. Put account link here. When software run a corresponding task, we'll skip this account. Click Start to verify the account. This is debug window. Software is verifying the account. Basic setting. Open debug window. Task running thread means how many tasks can be run at the same time. Module running thread means how many modules in the task can be run at the same time. Disabled image means do not show image when open debug window. You can set statistic interval time. Next, task settings. Add task name. Select Instagram. Click right button to add module. I will explain those modules' functions accordingly. Select account. This module can be used in the following module. Choose the how to fetch data when software runs this module. Choose to input one value per line or multiple values in one line. Select all the tasks, you can export it. Or select the file path directly. Choose those two columns. Set task can be used at specific time. Import from file. You can add some links which can be used in other modules. Add link directly or import from file. Use article spanner to rewrite text. If you have used those softwares, put corresponding information. Paste the text you want to rewrite. Add photo. Get information from RSS link. Input RSS link here. Select which information that you need to get. Input this grab number. You can set a post time when module running. Filter function, choose the file. Save result. You can save searched information. Send email module. Put sender's information. Put receiver's information. Max field time. The software will stop running the task when reached the maxed field time. Comment module. Select post source. Account source. You can choose to reply to the user source in the text or URL format. Select text source. How many accounts used to comment? Use all accounts or set specific accounts. Set interval time here. This one means after the software running this comment module, the module result in URL format can be used in other module. Run times, how many post sources you need to comment. Use debug window. When software failed to run this module, we'll open a debug window to run this module. Tick this function always. Home comment. Select your following post to comment. Select account source. Comment source in the text format. This means from the latest post, how many posts you want to select a comment. Or choose random order, also count from the latest post. How many posts do you need to comment? User filter. Select account source. User source in text or URL format. How many users needed to filter? For restricted condition can be selected. Some users may set some condition for the post. You can select this condition here. Select account. Post source in URL format. Select how many posts needed to filter. For restricted condition can be selected. Delete post. Select post source in URL format. Select the results, the saved running result that can be used in other module. Select how to fetch data, how to delete data after using. Block user. User source format. The account you added in the account management or in text or URL format. How many users needed to be blocked? Random execution. Example, if you set 4 comments needed to run, use this module. Software will only comment 1. Connect execution. I will show you how to set remaining modules. Search users. Search keywords format in text or URL. Search by username or name. Both means how to satisfy two conditions. How many users to be searched? Input hashtags in text or URL format. The photo post time. Set two conditions here. How to wipe cache. Set search number. Search post in this area. Select account. Keyword format in text or URL. Set search number. User source format. Choose first condition. Account will search your followers. Use text or URL format will search the others' followers. User source format. Choose first condition. Account will search your following. Use text or URL format will search others following. Select account. This condition only works after you have followed the users in the software. Post source in URL format. Runtime. How many results needed to be get? Select the information, author, liker, commenter. How many likers or commenters needed to be scrapped from the post? Select account source. Search type. Saved tagged in this area. User source format, text or URL. Set search number. Runtime. Use how many user sources. Choose other conditions if you need. Choose interacting time. Select type. Search number. Runtime. How many account sources need to be run in this module? Select account. Select photo. Caption source in text format. Select results. Will be saved in URL format. After this module completed, URL can be used in other module. Post source in URL format. You can select user agent in this module. How many accounts needed to be used in this module? Select those three conditions. Select account source. Will like your following post. Choose order. How many posts need to be liked? This condition works only when you have liked the post in this software. Or select from source. The source format should be URL. User source. Choose account. Will search the account you added in this software. Or choose URL format. First condition works when you follow the user in this software. Select source in URL format. Runtime. How many users you put in select source needed to be unfollowed. User source in URL format or choose the account you have added in this software. Send text or photo. I will talk about some commonly used tasks. Click Settings. You can reset this task. Copy the task. We can import JSON file to task management. I have imported all the commonly used tasks to task management. Click Export can export the task in JSON file. When you add links to any module, when the software ran the module, the log includes this module. will trigger the alarm. I will show the following tasks one by one. These tasks include those modules. Note: after run a module, this module will be saved as a URL format. So when we choose a source which can be input URL format, you can select the corresponding module. Select account. Input keywords. Select account source and keyword source. User source. Choose the use shared modules result. User source. Select those conditions. Use fifth module's result. Choose those conditions. Select account. Use fourth module's result. Put comment text. Choose the sixth module's result as source. Set those conditions that you want. Comment the post in location hashtag. Put the location hashtag's page URL. Select URL source. Other conditions. Input comment text. Choose start module's result as source. Select account. Set those conditions. Comment the post. Search for posts based on hashtags. Input hashtag. Select hashtag source. Set other conditions. Input comment text. Select third module's result as a source. Select comment source. Like followers post. Search your followers, user source, choose account. Set search amount. Use search followers module as a user source. Choose the fourth modules as post source. Like post, follow user who has interacted with you. Choose those conditions. Select second module's result as user source. Select second module's result as a user source. Select third module's results as post source. Select account. Input hashtag text. Search post via hashtag. Select search photos module's result as post source. Set other conditions. Select fifth module's result as user source. Set post time here. Then user source condition, choose the first one. Input URL. Link can be other account's URL. Select account in user source. It means the software will search this account's followers. Select URL. The software will search this URL's followers. Choose Search Followers module as user source. Input keywords. Choose keyword source and other conditions. Choose user source and other conditions. Like post, follow user by searching user from post with location hashtag. Input the URL with location hashtag. Select the URL and set other conditions. Select third module as post source. Set conditions. We better set post time in this task. Select third module as post source. Select sixth module as user source. Like and unlike post by searching post with hashtag. Input hashtag that we want to search. Select hashtag source. Choose search photos as post source. Better set post time. Search photos as post source. Select sixth module as user source. Like, comment, post, follow users by searching post with location hashtag. Input the URL with location hashtag. Select keyword source. Select fourth module as post source. Input comment text. Select fourth modules as post source. Better set post time. Select fourth module as post source. And set follow module. Like, comment, post, follow, unfollow user. From the first module to the 12th module is same setting as task setting we explained just now. Better to set post time. Set condition. Select user source. Comment, like the post by searching post with specific hashtag. Input search text. Select hashtag text. Select Search Photos module as post source. Input comment text. Choose Like module as post source. Choose comment source. Like your following's post. User source and account source all choose account modules. Choose Search Following module as user source. Choose Search Photos by user as post source. How to post. Choose photo. Input text. Choose account, photo, text. Unfollow your following. Select account. Select account module as account source. Select Search Following module here. You can choose software language. 3 languages you can choose: Chinese, English, or Persian. You can put to capture API key, get API key from this website. If you did not save the task will be appeared in other tasks. Click Run to start to run the task. You can see the process here. Those columns have same meaning. For example, follow 1000 stands for the maximum run time we set in the count limit. First number stands for failed time. Second time stands for successful time. That's all. Thank you.